Yay, finally you're watching my video for the first time. Yes, you clicked onto this video. I'm happy. I'm so excited that you're watching this. If you've already clicked onto this video and you're watching me right now and you are yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly go a step further by clicking on that subscribe button and also turning on your post notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And then you also want to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much. What I'm doing here is not something new, but I've also seen some people who really don't fancy doing this because they don't see the need to, or I've also heard some people who say it's just a waste of products, but it depending on what you are looking for and what you really want. So it's your choice at the end of the day to decide what you want to do for your natural hair. So what I'm doing right here is what we call pre-shampoo. That is Prepoo. So it's basically just a way of prepping your hair for wash day. So if you want to do this, just make sure that you're using something that can help you withstand that can help your hair withstand the harsh chemicals on your shampoo. So even if you're not using a sulfate shampoo, we all know that shampoo tends to strip out our hair from its natural oils. This is just my own way of protecting my hair from my shampoo. Although I don't use a sulfate shampoo, in fact I use a very mild shampoo, but at the same time it's still going to get all those oils and sebum from my scalp. So I am just making sure that I'm giving my hair some layers of protection so that after shampooing my hair can still feel soft, shiny, and even moisturized, so it's not feeling dry and brittle, because of course, like I always say, dry and brittle hair is a recipe for breakage. So feel free to decide if you want to do this, and there are various ways of doing this. There are also various products you can use to do this. For me, I like to use oils. So why this is so special right now is because for a while now I've not been doing my overnight Prepoo treatment. That used to be my go-to. That used to be my practice back then. Like I'll just apply my hot oil and just cover with plastic bag and just go to bed. So but for a while now, for a long time actually, I've not been doing that. Sometimes I just go ahead and shampoo my hair, or sometimes I apply the oil, but I don't leave it to stay for too long because I'm probably busy or doing one thing or the other. But this year I want to go back to my usual practice of pre-pooing overnight. So that is exactly what I'm doing. My hair right now, there's no product on it, so I want to make sure that the oils I'm applying really penetrates deep into my hair shafts. That is why I'm doing this. I'm applying my oil mixture. So some of you might have already seen, I have a video of the mixture of oils that I used that is in this bottle. So you want to check out my playlist. You're going to see is a DIY playlist, or I'm going to leave the link up on your screen so you can check that out. So applying oils is very, very beneficial because oils contains fatty acids, contains antioxidants and a lot of nutrients and vitamins that are very good for our natural hair. So now leaving them to stay for a while is an added advantage. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you actually do this step before your wash day. Do you pre-poo? What products do you use for your pre-poo? Do you find this helpful in any way? I'm sure there are others who might want to learn from you also as regard this process. So just drop it down in the comment section. So feel free to incorporate this however it suits you in your routine. Feel free to do so, but this is what I like doing, though I've not been consistent with it for a while, but I'm going back to it. Definitely pre-pooing overnight is a goal for me. As I'm doing this, my hair is already detangled, 70 to 80% detangled, so I'm not struggling with this. And also one benefit of pre-pooing, before you rinse it out, you can actually detangle at that point, because the oils are leaving your hair feeling soft and easy to manage, so you can even detangle at that point. And also you're not scared of maybe your hair getting dry after shampooing and all that. The benefits are enormous. You cannot exhaust the benefits. So yeah, this is just what I'm doing. I'm preparing my hair, applying my oils, finger detangling as I go. Please don't apply oils on dry hair. So my hair, I did a warm rinse on my hair, so my hair is already feeling damp. So in case you don't see me spraying some water before applying the oils, my hair is already feeling damp. So make sure that your hair is at least a little bit damp, so that you can activate the product you're putting on your hair. You don't want to apply oils on dry hair. Seriously, you don't want to do that. That is all. I'm just going to cover this up with a plastic bag. And if you don't want to do an overnight pre-poo like this, you can just do it when it's convenient for you. Then use a steaming cap to make the process faster, to really heat up the oils and make it penetrate better into your hair. Since I'm doing an overnight, I don't need a steaming cap. I'm just going to wrap my hair up. I'm using my satin scarf to wrap it also. After doing this, I'm off to bed without any worries. I hope you do enjoy today's video. If you did, kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.